Wayout is a crypto payment gateway, but unlike other gateways, you pay the merchant directly instead of us. That means your funds could never get lost, because we don't hold them at any point. When you send a payment, the merchant can immediately see it in their wallet and business records. Making a payment using Wayout is simple and easy. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to use from the list. Scan the QR code or click the Open Wallet button, and you'll open your crypto wallet with the destination and amount automatically filled in. All you have to do is review the details and hit send. Within seconds, we will detect your transaction and start waiting for confirmations. You can close the page or wait for it to complete. Either way, your payment is locked in. If a transaction fails, you can simply repeat this process. That's how you make a payment with Wayout.